Assalamu alaikum. Are you worried about your home or office plumbing and electrical fittings? Thinking how to do so much work? But don't worry anymore. We, Plumbing and Electric Brunei, provide water pump, water tank, filter, heater installation, toilet blockage, drain blockage, manhole blockage, basin blockage solution for your home, office or institution. We also provide electrical DV installation, light fan installation. All electrical works are solved. Along with that, there are any renovation facilities. So, without further delay, contact us today on the number given on the screen for more details. 6738 930467